father.
Hello, Lilo. How are you today?
Very good, very good.
So today we're gonna make a shakshuka.
Yeah.
What do we know about the shakshuka?
It's originally from North Africa.
Yes.
You could eat it for brunch, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah. In Tunisia we call it ajja, and it's based on tomato. It's very fresh. You can make it with meat, with chicken, with shrimps, with merguez, which is a lamb sausage. But today we're gonna make it vegetarian because I don't think you really need to have anything else because it's so delicious as it is.
Yeah.
So let's have a look at the ingredients of what we need.
Yes.
So we're gonna need 8 tomatoes, 1 paprika, 1 onion, 3 garlics, salt, pepper, vegetable broth, and a spice called Hanout, which basically is a bit of turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Last but not least, Harissa from Tunisia.
Well, we forgot to tell you guys that you'll need 6 eggs too, so here it is.
So first I'm gonna start chopping the tomato into small cubes. Beautiful. Then we can go ahead and chop the paprika basically in the same size as the tomatoes. Chop the onion. And press the garlic.
So what you want to do first is to put in the onions. Secondly is that you want to press the garlics into the pan. Now what you want to do is to put in the vegetable broth and put it in the pan. Make sure to mix it up as well in the pan. Okay, so at the 4th step, you actually want to put in the tomatoes as well. So in step 5, you want to add some salt, but make sure to add as much as you are comfortable with. Not only salt, make sure to do the same thing with the black pepper. Step 6 is to put in the ras al hanout. Now put in 3 teaspoons of harissa.
Next we're gonna add some boiling water and just enough to cover the surface, to cover all the vegetables, like that. Okay, so the smell is amazing, really amazing. What you want to do now is to try to get it a bit faster, a bit more solid. So I'm going to remove the lid and just let it evaporate a bit. Okay, so I'm going to dig a little hole with the spoon and then I'm going to put the egg in it so it's close to the pan and to the heat. I'm gonna close the lid just so that the eggs get a bit more solid. There you go. Shakshuka. Best served with bread. Enjoy.